that your body cells face threats every day? Yes, it's free radicals. Free radicals are oxygen containing molecules with an uneven number of electrons. The uneven numbers allows them to easily react with other molecules. Free radicals can cause large chain chemical reactions in your body because they react so easily with other molecules. These reactions are called oxidation. They can be beneficial or harmful. The free radicals can start doing damage to fatty tissue, DNA, and protein in your body. Proteins, lipids, and DNA make up a large part of your body, so that damage can lead to a vast number of diseases over time. These include diabetes, atherosclerosis or the hardening of the blood vessels, inflammatory conditions, high blood pressure, which is also known as hypertension, heart disease, neurodegenerative diseases such as Parkinson's and Alzheimer's, cancer, and many more. Oxidative stress also contributes to aging. It is an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in your body. Antioxidants are molecules that can donate an electron to a free radical without making themselves unstable. This causes the free radical to stabilize and become less reactive. Oxidation is a normal and necessary process that takes place in your body. On the other hand, it occurs when there is an imbalance between free radical activity and antioxidant activity. Everyone produces some free radicals naturally in their body through processes like exercise or inflammation. This is normal and part of the body's intricate system of keeping itself healthy. You may also be exposed to free radicals in the environment. Some sources include ozone, certain pesticides and cleaners, cigarette smoking, radiation, pollution. A diet high in sugar, fat, and alcohol may also contribute to free radical production. It is impossible to completely avoid free radical exposure and oxidative stress. But when nature gives a problem, it also has a solution. And the solution for oxidative stress caused by free radicals is antioxidants. Antioxidants are molecules that fight free radicals in your body. Your body has its own antioxidant defenses to keep free radicals in check. The best way to get antioxidants is through certain foods and vitamins, which include vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, beta carotene, lycopene, lutein, selenium, and many more. You can get most of these antioxidants by eating a healthy diet. This includes a mix of colorful fruits and vegetables. Whole grains, seeds, and nuts also provide good nutrients. Each antioxidant has a different chemical makeup. Each one provides different health benefits. Presenting 12-in-1 squash to provide the antioxidants required for the body in order to maintain health. 12-in squash is made with 12 selected fruits and herbs with highest ORAC value. ORAC value is a unit which measures the capability of an antioxidant to neutralize the free radicals. Higher the ORAC value, stronger is the antioxidant capacity of a particular antioxidant or food. 12-in-1 squash has goji berry, acai berry, cinnamon, grapeseed extract, ashwagandha, mulberry, shilajit, wheatgrass, Moringa oleifera, mangosteen, passion fruit and noni. Each ml of 12 in 1 squash provides ORAC value of 1299. Per serving of 12 in 1 squash provides 36,999 of ORAC value. Take 70 ml of water, add 30 ml of 12 in 1 squash, mix it and drink. Please note, once seal is open, you may have to use within 45 days. Start consuming 12 in 1 squash for a vital and vigor lifestyle. Thank you. Wish you infinity of wealth and health.